growercoach.com plant review. Today we're going to be doing Aster Frikartii, and you can see the aster here behind me. We're into October now and it's still blooming. These things have been blooming since July, so it really is one of the longest blooming perennials that you can get. Again, it's Frikart's aster, and I think it's one of the best garden plants all the way around. It's quite deer resistant. It has I rate it at about 96%. Often you'll get the deer come and they'll just nibble off some of the blooms, but it's not their favorite, so I like that. It's very drought tolerant as well, so that's kind of a good thing these days. We're always looking for drought tolerant plants, but for length of bloom it's pretty hard to beat. And as maintenance, it only needs the one cut in the fall, so when it's finished blooming, I'm going to let this one go for about another, well, I'll let it go until the frost hits it and really knocks it down, and then I'll cut it down to the ground and then just leave it through the winter. One of the keys to overwintering these plants is not to let them sit in water over the winter. So you'll find in some climates that are very rainy, you might find that they'll rot over the winter time. So on a slope like this, it's kind of nice because they're quite dry. So in the winter, the water runs away. They're not sitting in that soggy soil. So I'm pretty sure that the rating on this as far as the zoning goes is zone 4. So they're usually good down to about -16 or -18 degrees Celsius, which is pretty good. And I really like the plant. I think it's a winner. So that's a good one for the landscape. So that's my plant review for today. Thanks for tuning in to growercoach.com.